YouTube, what's up guys? I found some more good parts for you. Road trip, let's go. We're actually going to be taking the Toyota Celica. I just bought a Tundra for this, and for some reason I left the Tundra at my other place. I should have gotten the Tundra, I don't know. I haven't installed these BRZ FRS GT86 wheels, but look how nice they look. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? So good. They're drying. You guys will see this video before this video. This video will come out, but look how good those all turned out. Wow. FRS is just going to be here and just act like a spaceship because we got so much parking for so many activities. So nice. We're going to leave the FRS here and we're going to grab this Toyota Celica because we're going to go get some more TRD parts. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I found this off of a solar yellow Toyota Celica GTS TRD parts. This is gonna be fun. I love these videos. Let's hop in this car. I'm really late, so I gotta go. Let's go. Man, it's so good to be in the Celica. I just washed this thing. It looks amazing. My favorite part about this car, it gets amazing gas mileage. We're gonna drive, I think 50 miles or 45 miles. I don't know how long the distance there. I think it's 50 miles. And we'll probably use, we'll use like 2 or 3 of those bars. That's just awesome. So definitely recommend getting one of these cars, especially with gas prices so crazy. If you can find a Toyota Celica, a GTS or 1ZZ or 2ZZ, grab one. They both get really good gas mileage. But yeah, let's go and venture off. Again, these parts are gonna be available at MITSUBISHI.com as soon as they're done. I think I'm going to primer them since they are solar yellow. I know that a lot of you guys want to have primered ones, so I think I'll just take the time to primer them before I list them on my website. But I've gotten a ton of messages. Mitch, when are you gonna get some more parts? We're gonna get some more parts. It's pretty cool. I got a lot of people that message me saying like, hey, if they have one or if they found a damaged car. I think this car's just recently been totaled. I think he just rear-ended someone, which sucks. But let's go look at this car. Solar yellow again. We recently, like a year or two ago, got a full solar yellow kit. And that was because he was using the 2ZZ for an MR2. So that was pretty cool. But let's go check this. Let's check this car out. Again, I do feel bad that I've not turboed my Celica GTS yet. I feel guilty that I haven't done it yet, so we need to do it. Here's the deal. If I should have the truck. I should have the truck. The MR2 is going to get a tune soon, and I wanted to daily drive the MR2 right now, and then I had the Evo, and I was going to daily drive that, and then I went and got it painted, and so I'm just like currently using the Celica again as a daily driver, which is not what the point is. This is supposed to be my YouTube build for you guys. So as soon as I get the Evo back, we are definitely starting the Celica, and then I really kind of want to get the MR2 out of the garage as well, and just actually leave the Celica by itself in the middle of the garage, so that we have a bunch of room for activities. That's kind of my main goal, and I want to do that. Because then, you know, if the Celica's just right in the middle of the garage, I get all that room, and it'll be easy. And again, it's not the most cumbersome process to turbo Celica, but I really want to do it. I have the kit, so we need to do it so I can show you guys pretty much bolt by bolt. And then we can start working on the rest of the cars, because I got like 10 cars right now. I'm getting all over the place with cars. Let's get on the highway. Let's go get some TRD parts so that you guys can have them, because I know you want them, because it's hard to tell. It's a toss-up between Tsunami kit and TRD kit. They're the best 2 kits for the Toyota Celica, the 7th generation. Let's keep going. All right, we made it. Look, white little Celica over there. Well, this place is popular. Camp Lewis. Let's go ahead and see. So I saw a little white Celica. Cool, that means all the parts fit in there, because good, that's what I have. We have the same. Look at that. All right, let's back it in.
I just don't want to leave it empty-handed, so I like your videos.
Yeah, appreciate it. Solar yellow. Okay, I think your name was Chris. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. So we got solar yellow TRD. It is pretty, it needs some love. This isn't one that I want to send out to you guys without fixing it, so I'm gonna get it fixed. I recently did this, not recently, but like a year or 2 ago, I did this with, it might have been a solar yellow kit, and I took it to my painter, Clayton, and he did freaking awesome with it, and it was a really, really nice TRD kit. I think I need to do that with the same of this one, so I think I'll end up taking it to my painter and getting it primered and making it look perfect before I put it on there, because the front bumper is smashed up right there, and then, I mean, you can pull it and reshape it, I think, and then have it bonded, because, you know, they're worth a fortune. And then I got the wing, which I love the wing. The third brake light works. And then also I got the rear lip. He did not want to part with the skirts because he thought he had another buyer lined up. I think I have another set of skirts that I haven't sold yet, so I'll list that on my website as well. I think that's it's one of my storage units or something like that. I don't know where it is. So I will have that. But hey, look, we got another kit. I'm gonna pull it out and clean it before the end of the video. And then of course I need to run to the auto parts store. I'm gonna order, actually I'm gonna see if I can get a intake filter and intake coupler for the FRS. So let's go ahead and run quickly to an auto parts store. Look how good this car looks. Wow, crazy storm. Okay, so we got authentic rear, pretty good, really good condition, out of the best. This is the best condition. Wing, authentic with the third brake light, and then an actual TRD front that needs love. So this, you see right here, it's all scraped up. We're gonna fix it all up. It'll look brand new. I'll have it reinforced too. It'll look really, really good. And then of course I went and got the 3-inch filter. This is K&N, of course, good brand here. K&N or AEM is the ones I like. And then I got a coupler to replace the blue coupler for the FRS that you guys will see before this. Let's get back in the car, and man, I got another kit. This is awesome. It's perfect timing. It's crazy weather. It's kind of raining, kind of not raining. Let's get in the car. Let's go. All right, we made it back to this wonderful, huge garage. I love my garage. Look how big this is. Got the SPYDER. Here's the full kit acquired. Not full kit. Missing the skirt. He was pretty high and firm on the price of the skirts, which I'm fine. I actually think I have, again, I think I have a set of skirts. OEM wing. Look at that. It needs primered. I'm gonna have it primered, and then perfect condition lip. The rear lip is really, really nice. Some people like the Tsunami, and some people really like the TRD. On the rear TRD versus the Wings West, the rear TRD is longer. It sticks out further down. It looks better, and then on the Wings West, it dips in here quite a bit. Does not look like the OEM. This is an OEM. On the wing, comes with a third plug and play to all CELICA mid blade, and then the actual middle of the blade sits higher than the Wings West or the aftermarket versions. TRD matching end caps on both sides. Front bumper is pretty beat. It needs to be repaired. I'm not gonna sell it right now. It needs to be repaired. I mean, it looks cool. Look how cool it looks. It is the most aggressive bumper for the Toyota Celica on the front. Way more aggressive than the Tsunami. Look at that version. And I have a Tsunami like all the way, like max final boss. And it's super soft angles compared to the TRD. TRD action package. This one right here is very aggressive. That being said, that's it. I got another kit. Give it some time, maybe like 2 weeks before it's posted on my website, but you can get a bunch of other stuff from MITSUBISHI.com. Hope you guys enjoyed all those little BRZ. I keep on thinking I have a BRZ. I'm just gonna, like, my FRS. It should be called the Toyota FRS. I mean, like Toyota Celica GTS, MR2, Evo. I got a lot of three-letter cars, three-letter cars. That being said, make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. These will be available soon. I don't know when, but soon. Keep on checking. I'll post them on my Instagram. Same thing. It's the same name, MITCHDORE. You can follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys like this. Mitch, turbo this dang car. I agree. I need to. This thing needs a tune. This just needs to be turboed. Literally, watch. Like, so the goal for this is just bring this thing back in, and there's the kit right there. So that's what we need to do. Ooh, look at that. I forgot. Did you guys know I had that right there? Oof, engine. Evo 9 parts. I want to do that too really bad. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out the new garage. It's amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I don't know what the next video is going to be. It'll be good though. Like, subscribe, see you guys in the next video.